In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure your email marketing performance in Mailchimp. Let's start with your destination. Before you look at any numbers, define a single clear goal for your email marketing. Maybe you want to get more subscribers, increase sales, or improve engagement with the audience you already have. Pick the one outcome that matters most right now. This choice will guide what you measure and how you interpret the results. Next, choose the KPIs, the key performance indicators, that align with that goal. Open rate tells you how many people are actually opening your emails. Click rate shows how many are engaging with your content by clicking links. Conversion rate tracks how many complete a desired action after clicking, like buying or signing up. Revenue helps you tie emails to actual income. Subscriber growth measures how your list is expanding. You don't need them all. Select the handful that best match your goal. Now set clear targets. For example, you might aim for a 25% open rate, a 5% click rate, or 100 new subscribers per month. If you're not sure where to start, look at your recent averages and set targets slightly above them so they're ambitious but realistic. These targets become your benchmark for success. Head into Mailchimp to track performance. In your dashboard, open the Analytics area to view campaign reports and audience insights. This is where you'll find the data that maps back to your KPIs. Review the key metrics regularly. Opens and clicks to gauge engagement, unsubscribes to understand if content is turning people away, and bounce rate to catch deliverability issues. High bounces may indicate list quality problems that need cleanup. Compare your actual results with your targets. If your goal was a 25% open rate and you're at 18%, that's a signal to refine your approach. Look for patterns over several campaigns, not just one, so you're acting on trends rather than outliers. Analyze what's working. Study subject lines that earned more opens, content sections that attracted the most clicks, and send times that consistently perform better. Keep notes on themes, tone, and timing so you can replicate wins. Then improve your strategy. Test different subject lines to boost opens, strengthen your call to action to clarify the next step, and segment your audience so each group receives more relevant content. Small, focused experiments help you learn quickly. Repeat this process monthly. Track, analyze, improve. A simple dashboard or spreadsheet can make your progress visible over time. By following this rhythm, you'll measure marketing performance with confidence and steadily improve your campaigns as you learn what resonates.